Hello cat enthusiasts and language lovers. Today, we embark on a feline-inspired linguistic adventure as we explore the captivating world of cat idioms. Just like our whiskered friends, idioms can be curious, playful, and sometimes a bit mysterious. Join us on this perfect journey through expressions that capture the essence of our feline companions. From the cat's meow to letting the cat out of the bag, we'll unravel the charm and curiosity behind these idiomatic treasures. So, curl up and get ready to uncover the secrets hidden within the language of cats. These idioms will be showcased using my cat, Oliver Twist. Let's start. Cats out of the bag. Revealing a secret. Let the cat out of the bag. Accidentally revealing a secret. Like herding cats. Trying to control or organize something difficult. Curiosity killed the cat. Inquisitive behavior can lead to trouble. Grinning like a Cheshire cat. Displaying a broad and often mischievous smile. Cat and mouse game. A situation where one side tries to deceive or evade the other. Look what the cat dragged in. Expressing surprise at someone's unexpected arrival. Not enough room to swing a cat. A confined or cramped space. Raining cats and dogs. Heavy rain. The cat's pajamas. Something excellent or outstanding. The cat's meow. Something highly impressive or stylish. To bell the cat. Taking on a dangerous or difficult task. Copycat. Someone who imitates others. When the cat's away, the mice will play. People will misbehave when not being watched. Wildcat strike. A sudden and unofficial strike by workers. To fight like cats and dogs. Constantly arguing or fighting. Cat nap. A short, light sleep. Let the cat lick its kittens. Allowing natural processes to unfold without interference. The cat's whiskers. A person or thing that is highly regarded.